Hi guys, today I'm going to show you unboxing video of the TP-Link router, and this router is basically famous for its print server facility that it gives. So let me unbox it now, and then I'll tell you the specifications and other things about it. So here is the knife with which I'll unbox it. So you all can see that I have unboxed it. Not totally, but only the Flipkart packaging that it gives. So now let me take out the box and keep it out here and get rid of this big box. So now I'll just show you. So I took out the bubble wrap also. Here is the TP-Link router. Let me show you the close view of it. Now I'll unbox this also. So now I'm going to unbox this box, but before unboxing I want to give you an overview about this. As you can see, it is written USB sharing on the box itself. Your USB sharing. It is a 300 Mbps router with wireless and USB ADSL 2+ modem router. It gives 3G sharing, parental control, guest networking, and also ADSL and the print sharing. As I told you, a print sharing and USB sharing is the main feature that I order this TP-Link router, that is TD-W8968. It is the model number. So now I'll go ahead and unbox the box. So let me see from where will it get unboxed. So I'll get it unboxed now. So here we have unboxed it. Let me take it out. So we'll keep this box to the side. The main thing that we need is in front of us. The router itself with the antennas, 2 antennas as you can see. I'll keep this in a side and show you other things that we get from it. This is the cable, and we get it free with the box. As you can see, it is already in the box, so we'll keep it aside. And let me tell you, this is called a LAN cable, so I'll keep it to the side. Okay, this is the telephone cable that we get. There are 2 telephone cables. I'll be keeping it to the side. ADSL splitter. Let me show you how does it looks. What does this do is that put the phone line out here, and you can use it as a phone line from here, and a modem from here. So I'll keep it to a side. Here is the adapter I'm sorry. As you can see, the adapter, it's a TP-Link branded adapter, and let me show you. You can see that it takes input of 100 to 220 to 40 volts, I'm sorry, and output for 12 volts. So this is the much we get with the box. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and do like my videos, and let me tell you that I'll be doing an over review for the TP-Link in my next video, so stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.